This is how much I make in a week during slow season as a stripper. So Thursday was 13:04, okay, and the next day was 12:11. I'm off to a good start. And then Sunday was 3:23. I'm like, all right, it's all good. Bad nights happen. And then the next day on Monday, it was 2:24. But you know what? I still went back the next day because you never know. And then Tuesday, I made $1,170. And then for the total, working 5 days, I made $4,232.
That's not bad, but there are better ways to make money from home while keeping your clothes on. In fact, there are ordinary people like me and you who are making 5K to 10K per month on this platform by promoting other companies' products without showing their face, without having a website, or without even having prior experience or a degree. This business model I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing, and this industry is expected to be $17 billion worth in 2027. If you would like to know more of how this works, make sure you comment the word freebie down below, and I'll break down in a step-by-step free video course of how to get started step by step today.